Have you ever wondered how to start investing? Or why it's even important? Investing is a critical tool for achieving financial growth and security. Imagine planting a seed today and nurturing it over time to grow into a sturdy tree. That's akin to investing. You plant your money in a promising avenue, and over time, it flourishes. One of the most powerful aspects of investing is compound interest. It's like a snowball rolling down a hill, growing larger and faster with each revolution. Your money earns interest, and then that interest earns interest, and so on. It's a cycle that can turn even small initial investments into significant wealth over time. And the best part? Anyone can start investing. You don't need to be rich to invest. In fact, starting small and investing regularly can lead to impressive results over time. So, are you ready to take the first step towards your financial freedom? Let's dive into the world of investing. Before you start investing, it's crucial to understand the different types of investment options available. First up, we have stocks. When you buy a stock, you're buying a piece of a company, a slice of the corporate pie, if you will. Stocks can offer high returns, but they also come with a higher risk. Next, bonds. These are essentially loans you give to a government or corporation. In return, they promise to pay you back with interest. Bonds are generally lower risk, but also offer lower returns. Then we have mutual funds. This is where your money is pooled with other investors to buy a diverse mix of stocks and bonds. It's like having a mini portfolio managed by professionals. Lastly, there's real estate. Buying property can provide a steady income stream and potential appreciation over time. However, it requires a significant upfront investment. Remember, the key to successful investing is diversification, or not putting all your eggs in one basket. Now that you're familiar with the different types of investments, it's time to set your financial goals. One of the most critical steps in successful investing is having clear, measurable financial goals. Why so? Well, investing isn't just about making money. It's about growing your wealth to achieve something specific. Maybe you're saving for a new home, a comfortable retirement, or your child's education. These goals aren't just dreams. They are measurable targets that give your investment journey direction and purpose. They help you decide where and how much to invest. They keep you focused when market fluctuations might cause others to panic and make poor decisions. Remember, each goal should be smart, specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. So, whether you're aiming for a down payment on a house in 5 years or a retirement nest egg in 30, your goals provide a roadmap. Investing without a goal is like sailing without a compass. So, set your financial goals before you start investing. With your financial goals set, it's now time to create your investment plan. This is like your roadmap, guiding you towards your financial destination. Let's break it down. First, determine your risk tolerance. This is all about how much uncertainty you can handle in your investment journey. Are you a thrill seeker, ready for the highs and lows? Or do you prefer the slow and steady route? Next, decide on an investment strategy. This could be growth investing, where you're looking for stocks that are expected to grow at an above-average rate, or value investing, where you're hunting for stocks that appear to be undervalued. Finally, choose your investment vehicles. These could be stocks, bonds, mutual funds, or even real estate. It's all about diversification. And don't forget, this isn't a set-and-forget situation. Regularly review your plan, adjust as needed, and keep that financial goal in sight. Remember, a good investment plan is one that aligns with your financial goals and risk tolerance. Before we wrap up, let's quickly recap what we've discussed today. We started by understanding the importance of investing. Remember, it's not just about stashing your money away, it's about making your money work for you, growing it over time. We then delved into the different types of investments, from stocks and bonds to real estate and mutual funds. Each has its own set of rewards and risks, and it's crucial to find what fits you best. We also touched on setting financial goals. Be it for retirement, a dream home, or your child's education, having a clear goal in sight makes the journey more focused. Lastly, we talked about creating an investment plan. This is your roadmap, guiding you towards your financial goals while navigating the ups and downs of the market. Investing may seem daunting at first, but with a clear understanding and a solid plan, you can make your money work for you. Start your investment journey today and step into a financially secure tomorrow.